Such a fun class. There was a small group and it felt personalized for a bunch of strangers. The history and watching her explain in the upstairs of the cute shop, with being able to taste the ingredients before we made our own chocolate bar. We were able to pick our toppings of either nuts, dried fruit, or both. They cook and wrap it the same day, and as they sat downstairs they gave us a champagne and let us try a few of their chocolates from the shop downstairs. Some were spicy, sweet, or boozy. Really awesome tour that lasted about 1.5 hours, located right in downtown Casco Viejo, so it's easy walking distance from most hotels if you're in the area. We had a 6 p.m. appointment on Saturday night. We booked it on Viator. They do not have a 6 p.m. experience there. When we got there at 5:50 they were closing up. Juan greeted us at the store. We showed them our booking reservations and he was surprised that they were showing 6 p.m. bookings. He was very nice and accommodated us. We had our own private experience. Rolando was the one who gave us our experience there. They were so accommodating. It couldn't have been any better. I couldn't thank them enough for letting us come in and experiencing it. Rolando was an amazing guide. The experience takes us through the chocolate making steps. Everyone gets to make their own choco bar and there's a cool tasting at the end. Wouldn't recommend more. My family had an amazing time during the experience. Our group included kids, 5 and 10, and it was enjoyable for everyone. Overall great experience. This was such a fun experience to participate in. I got to try chocolate, learn the history of the cocoa bean and get the interactive experience with our helpful instructor. Everything was super delicious and definitely a memorable experience. I was very happy to go home with my own chocolate bar. Great time learning and getting to experience the chocolate making experience. Highly recommend it in a group or solo. We arrived earlier than scheduled and were able to be seen. The customer service and the experience was amazing. The process of making chocolate was explained in detail and the different chocolates we were able to taste were great. I wish I was able to pick the type of chocolate we were able to make though. But overall I enjoyed the experience and would recommend for a good time in Panama. Eric was incredible at explaining the process from where the cacao is sourced in Panama to the chocolate making process, demonstrating each step and having us try it out and making our own chocolate bar.